Hello everyone. Today I am here with my new video, my fourth video. This is my fourth video and I'm preparing and I'm showing some of the different teaching aids which I prepared. I already prepared and uploaded my three different videos. In my first video, I discussed about the articles. In my second video, I discussed about the sentences and the types of sentences. And in my third video, I discussed about the noun and the different kinds of noun. So I prepared this fourth video to show how we can make a very simple and innovative teaching aids during our free time. So I prepared some teaching aids when I got the free time, and I'm trying to show all these teaching aids to make our teaching learning experience more innovative and a different one. With the help of these kinds of teaching aids, we can make our teaching simple as well as creative, which can make student to learn in a very interesting way. So one by one I will try to show the teaching aids which I prepared. My first teaching aid which I prepared in this butterfly shape. In this one I wrote about the parts of speech, so I made this kind of design so it looks very innovative in the manner of butterfly to the students. So I wrote about the meaning of parts of speech and different parts of speech here. Here I explained about the noun and the meaning as well as the examples of noun, adjective, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and the last, interjection. So we can give this kind of teaching aids to the students so it will look attractive to them and they can start taking and reading one by one according to their own speed. In my second teaching aid, I tried to make this one in the manner of flowers. So I wrote about the tenses here. This is the meaning of tenses. Here I wrote about the different types of tenses. In this one I wrote about the present tense, and I wrote about all the four present tense: simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous, and I gave one example for each one tense here. In the similar manner, past tense and future tense. So it is a very simple kind of teaching aid, TLM you can say, which can make student to read it and understand it very easily. And this is my third teaching aid, which I tried to cut this one in the shape of leaves. So in this one I wrote about the degrees of adjective, or we can call them as degrees of comparison. I wrote about the positive, comparative, superlative degrees. We can lift this kind of leaves only. We'll come to know I wrote about the positive, comparative, superlative degree here: big, bigger, biggest, good, better, the best, clean, cleaner, the cleanest, so on, beautiful, more beautiful, the most beautiful. Like that I wrote so many, we can say, degrees of comparison here, which can make student to learn it very easily. Here a very simple teaching aid which I prepared with whatever card sheet was left with me. So I decided not to waste it, and it is also very simple. We can, with the help of this simple, creative, innovative teaching aid, we can make students to form different types of words. So I wrote 80 here at, and I made some list of the words here. If you goes on moving this one, student can make different type of words: bat, cat, eat, fat, mat, rat, sat. So it is a very simple kind of teaching aid. Definitely it will help student to frame more different types of words. And here one more teaching aid which I prepared, a words formation. We'll read these words. We can make different types of words.
Stable, table, able, cheat, heat, eat, price, rice, ice, chair, hair, air, strain, train, rain, scare, care, are, small, mall, all, stone, tone, one, that, hat, at.
So it is a very simple kind of teaching aid called as word formation. We can frame as many words as we can, 4 spelling words, 5 words. In this manner we can make as many words as we can. So here I prepared one more teaching aid known as the joint words. So here I wrote about foot and ball. We can write only ball as well as foot. We can combine, it will become football. Peacock, peacock. Bus stop, bus stop. Sunlight, sunlight. Rainbow, together it will become rainbow. Lipstick, lipstick. Dustbin, dustbin. Pancake, pancake. Notebook, notebook. Farmhouse, farmhouse. Ice cream, ice cream. Earring, together it will become earring. So these are the different types of words. We can make joint words, we can call it, and we can frame as many words as we can. Thank you.